We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this very famous French car manufacturer that has been established in France in 1899. Yes, Renault has been making and building cars for 120 years, so an historic car manufacturer based and established in France, but that is very, very famous now because it's become an international car manufacturing group owning different brands around the world, such as Alpine, the sports car brand, as well as Dacia in Romania, Renault Samsung Motors in South Korea, and of course some parts of Nissan in Japan. So very, very famous car manufacturer. It was champion as Formula One several times, and it still makes Formula One car engine to this day. So a very famous brand of car, but the name Renault itself confuses a lot of people because it's got a lot of letters that no one really knows how to pronounce, unless you are a French speaker like I am. I am actually French. And I've owned a few Renaults myself, so I'm going to tell you everything how to pronounce Renault and how to get your pronunciation of typical French pronunciation of Renault right and why. So how do you go about pronouncing Renault? Well, the letters A and U at the end of Renault come down to the sound O. So that's why you say Renault. Now the L and the T at the end of Renault are both silent. They are both silent. You hear some people saying Renault. You do not want to pronounce neither the L nor the T. The Spanish say Renault, pronouncing the L and not the T, and some only pronounce the T and saying Renault. No, you do not want to pronounce neither of them. So say Renault, Renault, and that's almost like Reno in California, but it's more like Renault. Now, if you are able to do the French R, say Renault. A French person, French people in France say Renault, Renault. La voiture, Renault. So essentially with an English pronunciation just say Renault, Renault, Renault. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of French words and French cars and also French wine pronunciation. Au revoir, bye bye.